to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So on this video we're going to do a bedroom makeover on our master bedroom. This is a before video that was taken when we were moving into this house. This is what it looked like before. So the first thing that we did was to take off the laminate. I mean, it is hard to take care of the laminate. You have to sweep it, you have to mop it, you have to shine it. It is a lot of effort. So I just wanted carpet in both the rooms just to have that nice cozy feeling that with the carpet. And we just took off the carpet and put the carpet in all of the rooms and on the stairs as well. So the carpet that we went for was the gray silver carpet. Love this carpet because it was going along with the decor that I was going for. And now we were putting up the furniture. We bought this mirrored wardrobe and the chest of drawers. I bought the big chest of drawers because they've got so much storage in them. Instead of buying the small one, I wanted somewhere where I can put a lot of stuff in it with big drawers. And this chest of drawers is got 5 drawers in them, and I really love it. This chest of drawers came together with the wardrobe. They're like the same design, and that's why I went for them, because they were matching the wardrobe. So the next thing that we did was to put a wallpaper on the side of the bed. I've always wanted like a grey silverish wallpaper because it is going perfectly with the decor that I'm going for. So this wallpaper, it is beautiful. I love it. It goes with the carpet, it goes with the decor, and we just put it only on the side of the bed. That's it. The next thing now was to put the bed and the mattress. So we got rid of the old bed and bought this king size bed online, and it is so comfortable. This mattress, it is amazing. It is so comfortable. and everything was finished. I did some small decor around the house. This is the before video and this is the after. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did decorating around this bedroom. I'm obsessed with it. Like, it is my favorite room now. I can just sit there for hours just looking at it. I love it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, just hit the subscribe button below. I'm gonna do a more detailed video of the room tour so I can talk you through about where I got all these things from. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.